This is my new hair dryer. It is by Tideway. Very excited to use it. Look at this beautiful gold color. Are you kidding? It has where you can turn it on. Right now I have it set to like the in between, because you can use this to change the modes. So right now I have it set in between. It'll blow some warm air, some cold air, some warm air, some cold air, and I love that because it doesn't make me hot. Right now it is 1:13. Let's see how long it takes to dry my hair. Normally it's at least 10 minutes. Seven minutes. Less than 7 minutes. Brushing it out and everything. Brushed out, not frizzy, thanks to this. It's magnetic. I linked it down in the shopping cart below. This is way better than my old one. Absolutely love that it has a cool air setting so that I can get the heat out of my hair and not die of a heat stroke.